Think you need a big garden, endless space, and hours of digging to grow sweet, juicy bell peppers? What if I told you you can grow what feels like an infinite supply of peppers, right in a simple container? And most people are doing it completely wrong. They plant too deep. They overwater. They use the wrong soil. And then they wonder why their peppers grow weak, or don't grow at all. But today, I'm going to show you a different way. A method that gives you strong, healthy seedlings, the kind that turn into powerful plants and produce again and again. No digging. No stress. Just smart growing. Let's start from the beginning. The first secret, and this is where most people fail, is the container. If your container is too small, your peppers will struggle from day one. Roots need space to grow, breathe, and develop strength. For seedlings, choose a container that's at least 7 to 10 centimeters deep. More space means stronger roots. Stronger roots means stronger plants. Simple but critical. Second, soil. This is not the time to grab heavy garden soil. Peppers hate dense, compacted ground. Their roots need oxygen just as much as water. So you want a light, airy, well-draining mix. When you hold it, it should feel soft and loose, not sticky, not heavy. This one change alone can completely transform your results. Now, the third secret, planting depth. This is where people unknowingly ruin everything. Pepper seeds are small. They don't have the energy to push through thick layers of soil. So if you plant them too deep, they may never reach the surface. The perfect depth? About 0.5 centimeter to 1 centimeter. That's it. Lightly cover them.
Don't bury them.
Let them rise easily. Secret number 4, watering. This is the biggest mistake beginners make. More water does not mean better growth. In fact, too much water suffocates the roots and causes rot. Think of it this way. Your soil should feel like a wrung-out sponge. Slightly moist. Never soaked. If you see water sitting, that's already too much. Control moisture, and you control success. Now here's where things get interesting. Secret number 5, temperature. Peppers are not just plants. They are heat lovers. If your soil is cold, your seeds will sit there doing nothing. For fast, strong germination, aim for around 25 degrees Celsius. That's about 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Warmth wakes them up. Cold puts them to sleep. If you get this right, you'll see sprouts much faster than most people. And when they appear, you move to secret number 6.
Light.
Immediately. No waiting. No delay. The moment your seedlings break through the soil, they need as much light as possible. Because without light, they stretch. They become thin, weak, fragile. But with strong light, they grow thick, compact, and healthy. This stage decides everything. And finally, secret number 7, patience. Most people rush to transplant too early. They see a small sprout and think it's ready. But moving it too soon creates stress and slows growth. Wait until your seedlings develop several true leaves. Let them build strength first. When you transplant a strong seedling, it adapts quickly and keeps growing without pause. And that's the difference. Not just growing peppers, but growing them in a way that feels endless. Because when you start with strong seedlings, everything changes. Your plants become more resistant. They produce more. They last longer. And suddenly you're not just growing peppers. You're creating a system, one container at a time. And once you see the results, you'll never go back to digging again.